Melanie from Pinnacle Performers. Does your child love to dance? I've been dancing since I was very small. Started in my parents' living room, then progressed to dance classes, and then to dancing in amateur musicals on stage. Different styles: jazz, modern, tap, ballet, ballroom. In Pint Size and Pinnacle Performers classes, we love to dance. We start with a warm-up. Really important to warm up those small muscles, so we bend and stretch and get those muscles really ready for the session. Then we learn to move to the beat. So we will do bends and claps and stretches and stamps in time. This is a really important skill to use. With my pint sizers, over the next 6 weeks, we learn different moves, steps and simple formations. The older children, slightly more complicated steps and formations. After the 6 weeks, we're then ready to show the parents what we've been learning. We put on a little performance for them. It's great to see the sense of achievement the children get from doing this dancing, and the parents love watching how the children have progressed. Pinnacle Performers, inspiring youngsters to dance amongst the stars. If you would like your child to join a pint-sized performer session, contact me on the link below. Looking forward to hearing from you soon. Take care. Bye for now.